Pali Highway is a really important route for us because it's the primary one that connects directly into town from the windward side. We get about 60,000 vehicles per day on all three routes. In that route, we have pretty steep slopes coming up over the ridge to get into town. And we have a hairpin turn that's pretty tight. Now in that area, we have a speed limit that we request that everybody follow when they get through there. And the reality is people don't. When they go too fast through that route, they start losing their control on that turn, and we get some accidents and fatalities there.
We are in Kaneohe, Hawaii, doing a high friction surface treatment project.
We're doing 4 passes out here on a hairpin turn, and we're just basically trying to place this down to reduce the amount of accidents.
High friction surface treatment, or HFST for short, is a safety countermeasure that increases the frictional properties of the roadway while also reducing roadway departures and horizontal curve crashes. Just kind of gives you a little bit more grip for the tires. In layman's terms, it's essentially super gluing a hard rock to the surface. The automated installation process removes all human error from that, meaning you're going to get exactly the same thickness across the entire lane width of the roadway. You're going to get the same amount of rock drop across the whole lane width of the roadway as well. Automated installation has become more and more popular in the past 5 years. Nationwide, there are only a few companies that have the fully automated process. What sets ACC apart is that all of our equipment is custom built in-house by our mechanics. The ones that operate it every day know how it works.
It's been working out really well. So this Pali area is another area we're testing this out to try and see what we can do to make things safer for our public. We put in the material, went in flawlessly, and we get texts daily from the community in that area on how much they appreciate the grippy material that they're finding out there.
American Civil Constructors, we take pride in the fact that we do what most contractors don't do. Very complicated, specialized type of work, but we do it well, and we do it much better than our competitors. And I think that's just because we take pride in the type of work we do. But this product is the most rewarding because doing a job and doing it well, making it look good, is something to be proud about. But when you're doing something that's actually saving lives, that just puts a whole different spin on things.
When I went into engineering back in college, I wanted to do something. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with my life, but I wanted to do something that made a difference. And to be on a project and see roadway markers on the side of the road, see crosses at almost every curve that we go to, and know that somebody lost their life at that curve, but we're here to make a difference, just means the world to me. It kind of gives me goosebumps. Safety is our #1 concern for people in construction. When we're in the work zone, we want to be safe, we want to send everybody home, but that's true of the traveling public as well, and so it's great to know that we're sending everybody home to their families.